Well, hello, unmixtables. Welcome to Courage in Real Life, where we explore strategies, techniques, and courage hacks to help you become more of your very own courage coach and cheerleader. So you can live and thrive in the driver's seat of your life. I am Patrick, your curator of courage hacks. Today's episode is about expired. One word. I like that. You are going to die. That's the ultimate expiration date. So why do we live as if everything is going to continue indefinitely? To hack your courage, set expiration date for everything. Everything. Commitment, relationships, subscriptions, those courses you bought but did nothing with. I got a lot of those. Those books you bought 10 years ago that you haven't read. They just name it. We actually have expiration dates in our lives for a lot of things already. If we admit it or not, there is one. But by consciously setting expiration date, we get back into the driver's seat of our life. There is something called unrelenting stress. And unrelenting stress is the stress that comes from unfinished business. You've been trying to clean the garage for over 5 years now. Again, all of those self-help courses we bought that now just sitting in boxes that we started and did not finish. All of those little bits of unfinished things take a toll on you and pull a little bit of your energy. When we set expiration date, whether we finish it or not, whether we intend to finish it, just set expiration date and move on and close that part of your life. Yeah, I think I know what you're thinking. Set expiration date for everything. Everything, yeah. Relationships. Relationships, you're talking about marriage? Well, I'm not going to go against the good old book that says for better or for worse, the death do us part. But how about a renewal date once every 7 years? If you didn't get that far. Once every 9 years. The point here is to bring that thing back into your consciousness rather than working on autopilot. Because when we work on autopilot, we might think we are in control. We're not. I recently got an email from a subscription that I had. I really did nothing with it, but was paying for it. And I'm sure a lot of you can identify with that. And then they said, well, we can't process your payment. Email number 1. Email number 2, we cannot process your payment again. And it came back to me that, do you want to renew your credit card with them? Do you really want this? Now what? It is expired. Now what? Now what are you going to do about it? Expiration date. Powerful courage hack. Set expiration date and see how your life starts to change and how you feel a sense of freedom and control and get back your courage and your strength to be you, to reclaim yourself. That's it. Set expiration date and let me know. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. And remember to stay unmessable, my friend. God bless you.